What's up, guys? This video I'm going to show you how to remove your steering wheel from your OBS Ford. Now this is specifically for the OBS Fords that do not have an airbag. If you have an airbag in your steering wheel, it's going to be a completely different process. So just a heads up. Now the first thing you're going to do is remove the cover from the steering wheel. All you got to do is pry forward on it, on that little back piece, and just pull towards yourself and it'll come straight out. As you can see, there's a connector in there with a few wires. That little tab on the bottom, you just have to pry that down and pull the connector out. As you can see, no airbag, it's hollow in there. It just has the wires. Once that's out, you'll see here that there's no holes for any type of steering wheel puller, which sucks, but that's the way these wheels came. What you're going to have to do is, first you're going to have to remove that 15mm bolt from the center. There is a bit of Loctite on it, but it shouldn't be that tight. I just didn't have a hand ratchet. I forgot it, so I used what I had with me. Once you get that bolt fully out, you're going to want to thread it back in. Just a few threads, so when you pull the wheel out and it finally comes out, you don't smack yourself in the face with it. Now this is going to be the hardest part, but it's not that bad. What you're going to want to do to get the wheel off is you're going to want to pull it towards yourself and work it left and right. It might take a while, 10-20 minutes, and it is a bit annoying at times, but you will eventually work the wheel off. And again, have that bolt threaded in, just a few threads. I also have a tilting column in my truck, so I use that to my advantage, and I tilted it down a little bit so that I could pull back harder.
Ooh, about time. That took a little bit, but just gotta keep on working it back and forth. There you go. I don't know how well you can see it, but the inside of that is keywayed. Or right on the right side next to the connector, that's a keyway. And also on top, it shows better on the shaft. 1 second. So you got the top keyway, and then you have one on the side also where it's flat. There's no grooves for the steering wheel to grab onto. So putting the steering wheel on is just the reverse process. When you put the bolt back in, I'm going to be torquing it down to 45 foot-pounds, along with putting a little bit of blue Loctite on it. That's how you get your steering wheel off your OBS Ford. If you would like to watch me replace my fan clutch in this truck and also put a 6.0 fan in it, you can click this video right here.